All right, here we are at the Minnesota State Fair. We just made it to the gates. We actually took an Uber here because the line was so long at the shuttle where we parked, it wasn't worth waiting. So took an Uber, got in the gate, line wasn't terrible, and now we're here.
So let's go have some food.
Lots of food on our menu for today. Well, we are here on opening day, and honestly, it's not that crowded yet, but it's only 9:45 in the morning. But it's starting to fill up, and there is a lot to see here.
Yeah, just checking out the lay of the land here and deciding what we're going to get for food today.
I know, food is like first on the menu, so we're trying to find good stuff.
Anything on a stick.
I'll take anything here. All right, we'll see what we can find.
So this is what we got to start with, the pronto pup.
That's not a pup, that's a full dog.
Oh, it's actually the papa pup, right?
Yeah, right? That's just wrong. That's awesome. The batter's different.
Yeah, but it's really good. Just like corn dogs, pronto pups are good too. I'd recommend.
Stop number one, more to come. Well, it is officially time for our first summer shanty, and I got a feeling it won't be our last. You know, I'll try a lot of things, but veggie fries are not on my list today.
Nor mine.
Need some meat, don't need veggies. What the heck? It's just wrong. And here we have the Hamline Church Dining Hall. It opened in 1897 and is the longest consecutive running concession stand in Minnesota State Fair history. Making our way here. I think we're lap 27. I've lost count.
I know, we're just kind of zigzagging around here.
Getting busier though. I think it's gonna be packed by tonight. We're looking for our next food stop.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Gizmo's. It's on the north side, so.
Saw some good things about it. So that was there. So we will meet you when we get there. We apologize for the karaoke in the background, but that seems to be a thing where we're at. So we stopped at Carl's and got a Gizmo. It looks pretty awesome. So we haven't tried it yet. We're fixing to dig in, and I'm expecting pretty good things. This is meal stop number 2.
I want two that are like yeah.
That's really good. We get on a sky glider and see the sights.
We're taking a ride. It's nice and cool up here.
It is. Nice view too. It was $6 for a one-way each, so totally worth it. Nice view, and there's definitely a breeze, so
Feels good.
yeah, highly suggested. Found our next victim. We're headed to
The corn.
roasted corn. Here it comes, baby. we finally found what we're looking for. I am in desperate need of a beer.
And I'm in desperate need of a deep fried Oreo.
Score! All right, it is very hot. What, 110, 115 right now?
Okay, it's about 80 degrees, maybe 82. Stop to get another beer and take a rest.
Hello,
I've been
rest.
walking nonstop since, I don't know, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, but this is shanty number 2. Yay! It's been a good experience so far. I've had a lot of fun. I would encourage people to come in earlier today like we did. Definitely was able to see a lot more and do a lot more.
Yeah, for sure. Now that there's droves of people coming, you definitely have to get here early. And parking will be a lot better too.
And the lines are a lot longer. Though I will say, what we've stopped and eaten, the lines have not been bad. Even for a cold shanty, it was not bad. So cheers. We just got these. These are the Reese's fried. Oh God. Those are really good. There was definitely no shortage of food here at the fair and so many things to try. There was all sorts of games and rides and fun things to do, so definitely bring your family down and have a great time.
With the highest score will be the winner. As they're warming up, I'll run the score. Put a nice deep V on this front side. You can also see them following a pattern as they chop. Go! Go! All the way up, all the way down. These are going to be camp 9 and camp 14. There it is. Dead.
We had an absolutely amazing day at the state fair, though we did not try as many foods as we wanted to, and we definitely didn't see everything that we planned on. It was just so much to see and eat there, but I would encourage everybody to come out and experience the state fair. It was an amazing experience.